How to add payment method to Agoda. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a payment method to your Agoda account. It's a simple process, but there are a few steps that you need to follow. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Agoda website or app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are logged in, you can see your name or profile icon in the top right. So here, if you are new and don't have an account yet, you can just click on sign in up, and after that you can simply create your account. And now here, once you're logged in, you can simply click on profile icon, and after that a drop down menu will appear. From there, simply click on profile, and after that you can simply scroll down to find the payment method section. And here, once you have found it, make sure that the option to save your credit card info is turned on, and this allows Agoda to store your payment details for future use. Now here is something important you need to know. So here you can only add a new card during the booking process. So let's go ahead and do that. So here I'm simply going to search for a hotel in Bangkok as an example, and here you need to choose your travel dates and find the hotel that you would like to book. And once you have picked a hotel and selected your room, simply click on Book Now and fill out your guest details. And when you reach the payment step, you will see the option to enter your credit or debit card info. So here, just enter the info, and after entering your card details, make sure everything looks correct. And once you're done with that, just click on Book Now to complete the process. And if you had the save options enabled earlier, your card will now be saved to your Agora account. And that's it. That's how you can add payment method to Agora. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.